Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of GetAssist.net where I will be showing you how you can get dark mode for iPhone 13 Pro model. Alright, so if you are interested, make sure you watch it till the end, and this is going to be a very quick tutorial, and let's get started. So what you need to do on your iPhone device, if it is the 13 model, you have to go to the settings section, and here on settings you just have to scroll down and go to display and brightness section, and here you will see the option to turn on the dark mode. So if you will press dark, this will automatically turn your device into dark mode, and you can easily turn it off by simply pressing light. All right, you can even turn on the automatic option so that it keeps changing automatically. You can, here in the options, you can set light until sunset. All right, so after sunset your device will automatically turn on the dark mode for you. So that is another option that you can use. All right, or you can even custom schedule it. All right, so apart from turning on light mode or dark mode, you can even schedule it for your device. You can even keep it automatic. All right, so that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my upcoming videos. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.